In today's class, I am going to explain about get element by ID, get elements by class name. Okay, both methods are the DOM methods which are used to access the HTML elements. Okay, in today's class, how do we access the HTML elements with help of these methods? Okay, it is very important concept to access the HTML elements through JavaScript. These two methods are the DOM methods which are used to access the HTML elements. How it is possible, we will see in the example. You see here, in the body, I written two elements. H3 element, some content is web technologies. Then paragraph element is having some content, the JavaScript elements. Okay. Then how these two elements can be accessed using these two methods, I will explain you. First of all, I would like to explain about get element by ID. Okay, what is that method? Get element by ID, which is used to access the HTML elements using the ID attribute. The HTML element must have the ID attribute. Okay, we can able to access the HTML element with help of the ID attribute. How it is possible, we will see. Then, so for example, H3 ID equal demo. Then I would like to use then paragraph element is having the ID attribute ID equal to, so for example, demo one. Okay, ID is the attribute, demo is the value. Okay. Then how do we access the H3 and paragraph element with help of get element by ID? We will see then where, for example, X equal document is the predefined object. We can access the get element by ID with help of the document object. Get element by ID. Then ID attribute. What is the ID attribute is here? Either we can access by using the demo or demo one. Okay. Then I would like to use demo is here. Then we can able to access the H3 element by using the ID attribute. Then what is the var x equal to the ID? The H3 element will be placed in the variable x. Then before discussing in the JavaScript code, I will show you how the output will be displayed. We will see here how the output will be displayed. Here at this time I did not access any element. Okay, simply I written the HTML code. How it is possible? How do we access or how do we change the HTML elements? How do we modify the HTML element with help of the JavaScript code? We will see. Okay, and then for example, the x dot inner HTML inner HTML equal, for example, what is called the web technology. Instead of web technology, I would like to change it to uh, hi everyone. For example, something is better than nothing. Here, what is happening? Because here, by using the get element by ID, we are accessing the element H3. The H3 will be placed in the X. Then X dot inner HTML. Inner HTML is a property which are used to access the content of the particular element. Okay, this what is having the H3 element web technology. Okay, then I would like to use, for example, button button. I will on click equal some function name. Suppose I would like to do change is the function name. Then button name call function. The button has been closed. Then when control will comes to here, the function keyword. Then what is the function name? Do change. Do change is the function name. When one control will comes to here, whenever the button has been clicked, I would like to include these two. See here, whenever the button has clicked, the control will comes to the do change method. Inside that method, what I written, then we are able to access the element by using the demo. What is the demo ID? H3 element. Then x dot inner HTML equals something is better than nothing. Okay. How the output will be displayed, we will see. Refresh. Yeah. Web technology JavaScript tutorial. When you call this function, what is happening? Okay, web technology is replaced by the something is better than nothing. Okay, that will be displayed. Yes, it is clear. What was the output previously? The web technology. Okay, then again I will refresh the page again. Then HTML element web technology. When I click on the call function, then what is happening? Then web technology, the H3 element is replaced by the something is better than message because the code has been written in the JavaScript. Okay, the something is better than nothing. Okay, then this is possible to access. For example, in case of demo one, demo one means which element will be accessed? The paragraph element. Okay, demo means the H3 element. Now, what is possible? Then we will see the output. Then once you refresh the page, then where at this time we are accessing the paragraph element, the JavaScript tutorials is replaced by the something is better than nothing. Then please click on function. Then here you see here the something is better than has been displayed. Okay, then the get element by id is used to access the what is called the html elements using the id attribute. Okay, for example, I would like to add the css through javascript. Okay, how it is possible we will see. Then uh, x dot the style dot color equal, for example, a green yellow, sorry to say hello, because then which element we are accessing? The demo one means paragraph element. Okay, the x dot style dot color, because what is the color of the text? Previously it was displayed in the black color. Now when I click on it, the letters would be displayed in the yellow color. Okay, we will see whether the output will be changed or not. Okay, refresh the page. Then when I call that function, okay, see here the javascript tutorials has been changed to yellow color. Okay, I would like to change for example green. Okay, then I would like to access the h3 element. Then you see here, then how it is you can put a semicolon over there, then save it. Then here see, refresh the page. Then once you call that function, where the color will be applicable, the color is applicable to the web technology. Yeah, because the previous it has appeared in the black color. Now once you click on that function, that has been changed to web tech. That has been changed to green color. Okay, please look at here the how it will be accessible. Okay, then now we can change we can able to access the element, we change the content of the html elements, or else we can able to add the style sheets through javascript code. Okay, then I would like to explain about uh, get elements by class name. Okay, because here I would like to use class name get elements. Okay, elements by class name, get elements by class. Here I would like to use, here we use the id attribute. But what is the get elements by class? Okay, we can able to access the elements using the class attribute. Previously what we did, we are accessing the html element with the help of the id attribute. At this time we can able to access the elements using the class attribute. Okay, here the class, here the class. Okay, for example, in case of get element by id, in more than elements having the same attribute, but get element by id will access the only first element, it can't access the second element. Okay, be careful. In case of the class attribute, then both are having the class attribute. h3 is element having the class attribute, the value is same demo. The p paragraph element is also having the class attribute demo. When you access the here, then two elements will be accessible. Okay, two elements, because both elements are having the class attribute, the attribute values demo. Both element are having the attribute values demo. But how it is possible to access the both elements? Okay, it is possible. Then here, then I would like to change I would like to add the color. Okay, then x of 0, because which will be stored in the variable in the form of array, because we're able to access the more than one element using the get elements by class name. How the elements will be stored? The elements will be stored in the form of the array, because the x of 0 dot style dot color equal to green. Then how do we change? Then how do we apply the CSS through JavaScript using the get elements by class name? Okay. Then see here, then I would like to refresh the page. Then when I click on the call function, what is happening? We will see. Yeah, call function, the x of 0, it does not get. What is the problem? We will see. The whereas it document get elements by class name. By class, okay, x0, then style dot color equal to green. Okay, and what is happening? Then we will see. First I would like to change whether it is applicable or not. We will see the inner HTML equal, suppose content will be there. Okay, the content should be hi everyone. Then see the, yeah, how it is possible. The class equal demo, the class equal to yes. Then document get element demo attribute is accessing the inner. Okay, how it is, whether it is changing or not, we will see. Get elements by class. Then you save it. When I click on it, it has not changed. Class. Get elements by class name. We will see. Refresh it. Yeah. See here, it was replaced by I everyone, because here, sorry, get elements by class name. We are accessing the elements by using the get elements by class name. We are accessing both elements are having the class attribute demo, but here x of 0 BC, which is applicable to only S3 element. For example, x of 1, x of 1, because both elements has been stored in the variable x. Then whenever you are accessing the or changing the content which is applicable to the x of 1, x of 1 means what is called paragraph element. We will see how it is possible. Yeah, then the paragraph content has been changed to hi everyone. See here. Okay, you would like to use styles also. What is called the style dot color. Style dot color equal, for example, which color do you want? For example, green, because everybody knows this color. Yeah. Then yeah, because the JavaScript, see here, it has been changed. It was previously it was black color. It has been changed to green color. Okay, if you want to would like to change the background color also, it is possible. Then background, what is called, then background equal to, for example, red. Then how it is possible, we will see the background color as applicable to the paragraph tag. Okay, if you want applicable to the H3 element, x of 0. Okay, because x of 0 is H3, x of 1 P, because both are having the same attribute. You see here, yeah. So when click on it, at this time the color as the background color has applicable to the H3 element. Okay, web technologies. Okay, if you, because these two attributes are very important. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding these two examples, please ask me at any time through comment box window. Thank you all for watching my videos.